nothing missing. Filling my cup with some love in the kitchen. Cause I'm so sweet, supersonic, over easy. Can't get enough of that good stuff. Gotta soak it up. Good days, good days, good days. Gotta soak it up. Good days coming through. Good days coming through. Good days coming through. Gotta soak it up. It's gonna be a good day. Today is gonna be a good day. Okay, today is gonna be a good day. Today is gonna be a good day. Today is gonna be a good day. Okay, today is gonna be a good day. Today is gonna be a good day. Today is gonna be a good day. Okay, today is gonna be a good day.
Nervyos. Super lamig ng kamay ko, di ko alam gagawin ko. Pero, nervyos pero excited.
Yun, parang MU. Tapos parang nagka-automatic lang na nagka-spark.
Ang bilis kasi. Tag neto, parang wala na atang ligaw-ligaw. Nung parang, tayo na ba? Yung ganun.
Kasi sabi ko dati sa sarili ko pag nakahanap ako ng nakakaintindi sa akin, siya na. Tapos nakita ko lahat yun sa kanya. Kaya sabi ko siya na yung magiging kasama ko habang buhay.
Special tong day na to at eto na talaga yung pinaka-aantay naming na araw. Sobrang matagal na din namin to pinano and ngayon matutuloy na. After 5 years, dibi? Mahal, eto na yun. Sana maging okay yung relationship natin hanggang sa dulo. At lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang ako na susuportahan kita sa lahat. At mahal na mahal kita, tandaan mo yan. Ikaw lang, sapat na. Okay? I love you.
Papangako ko sa'yo na bibigay ko yung lahat ng makakaya ko na i-maintain yung natin, binubuong pamilya. I love you.
So I tell you a million tiny things that you have never known. It all gets tangled up inside and
Si Ate Michelle at si Kuya Mark. Eto na, ikakasal na yung kapatid nyo, yung bunso nyo. Sayang wala kayo. Matutuklasan tong wedding ko, pero sure na, nandito pa rin kayo.
sometimes I don't understand you, but it always brings me back to where you are.
My dearest future wife, today I stand before you, ready to make a lifetime commitment to you. I vow to love, cherish, and honor you as long as we shall live.
Kung ito na ang huli kong liham, ayoko siyang masayang sa isang paalam.
Mahal, Be, Magno, Boknoy. I thank God for giving you to me. Almost 5 years LDR is tough. And it isn't that easy being so in love with you and not able to see you every day. I cannot promise all our days to be easy. I mess up sometimes or most of the time, but I promise to hold you tight when things get good and tighter when things get hard.
Sa buhay mang ito,
vow to be your faithful partner in life, to prioritize our love and relationship above else. I will strive to make our home a place of warmth, comfort, and happiness, where we can create beautiful memories together. I love you, Rochelle.
Mark, you may now kiss your bride, Rochelle.
I vow to be giving, generous, and supportive, especially those days if you don't feel confident about yourself or days when you feel distressed at work. So I promise to love you fiercely as long as I live. But yun lang, hindi ko marirequest sa'yo yung paglalabahin mo ko kasi alam mo na ayaw ko yung naglalaba. Kaya ikaw na to ka doon, okay? I wish that our love each other continues to grow stronger with each passing years. I love you and this is it.
So I tell you a million tiny things that you have never known. It all gets tangled up inside, and I tell you a million little reasons falling for your eyes. I just want to be where you are. Tell you a million tiny things that you have never known. It all gets tangled up inside. Tell you a million little reasons falling for your eyes. I just want to be where you are.